Hola, mi nombre es Lui Piluso, te doy la bienvenida a mi canal El Capitán Estudio, que también es mi estudio de grabación. Y hoy tenemos el segundo capítulo de Rackeados, Viaje a la Fábrica, donde visitamos distintos lugares donde se construyen instrumentos, equipos de grabación y mucho más. Y en este episodio, al igual que el anterior, también es una fábrica que queda en Estados Unidos, que fuimos a visitar junto a Javi Fráquida cuando fuimos a la NAM. Y esta fábrica es una fábrica que se especializa en hacer micrófonos de cinta. Y justamente tienen la mejor receta para fabricar las réplicas de los RCA, los micrófonos antiguos, hermosos y míticos de la historia de la grabación. Y esta marca se llama AEA, de la cual tengo dos preamplificadores acá, que ya hice videos que los vas a poder encontrar arriba o abajo en la descripción. Y la verdad que la pasamos genial. Nos lo dio Joey, que la verdad que la rompió toda. Es una de las personas más buenas ondas que conocí en este viaje. Es un divino total, así que agradezcanle abajo a Joey. También le quiero agradecer a Julie, que fue la que coordinó todo esto y también nos abrió las puertas y nos permitió hacer contenido juntos. Así que inmensamente agradecidos. También este viaje fue posible gracias a mi sponsor, que es DistroKid. Así que vamos rápido con una pequeña publicidad. DistroKid me encanta porque sirve para subir tu música a todas las tiendas virtuales, desde Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Tidal, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram y todas las plataformas que están disponibles. Bueno, ellos tienen un plan anual que te permite subir toda la música que quieras y además te ofrecen un montón de herramientas incluidas sin cargo adicional que te permite hacer un marketing y una estrategia publicitaria para tu música. Te voy a mostrar hoy una función que tienen que me encanta, que son tarjetas promocionales. Son tarjetas que te permiten publicarlas en tus redes sociales, donde vos elegís tu lanzamiento y ellos te van a generar automáticamente distintas tarjetas o flyers o fotos para que vos puedas subir a tu Instagram, por ejemplo, en tus historias o en tu perfil, invitando a tu audiencia que vaya a escuchar tu música. Si querés acceder a esta función, además de poder subir tu música a todas las tiendas, te recomiendo que hagas clic en el link de la descripción que la gente de DistroKid, la cual agradezco mucho por bancar este canal, nos dio un 7% de descuento para toda la comunidad del canal. Simplemente para acceder a eso tenés que hacer clic en el link de la descripción y van a reconocer que viniste de acá. Espero que disfruten este tour. Dejanos abajo en un comentario qué fábricas te gustaría que vayamos a visitar. Y no te olvides de suscribirte, que este canal está llegando a los 100.000 suscriptores. Y la verdad que necesitamos de todos ustedes que por ahí ya miran el canal y que todavía no se fijaron si están suscritos o no. Fíjense rápido y activen esa campanita que es completamente gratis y a mí me ayudas un montón para que siga haciendo este tipo de contenido para vos. Vamos directo al video. Hey Joey! Funny to find you here.
It's great to see you. What the
Hello.
heck? How are you? This is the mic shop. This is where all the mics are built.
Yeah, where are we at?
We are at AEA Microphones in Pasadena, California.
Hell yeah.
On this beautiful rainy day.
Yes.
And yeah, this is nice. It's nice and quiet today. We have a small shop here. It's a small workforce. So a lot of people wear a lot of hats, is what we say. So you know, someone who's usually here building 88s is actually across the way doing some administrative work. Someone who's usually here building KU4s and 44s is over there working on buffers, electronics. You'll meet her later. You know, but so it's a little quiet in here right now, but sometimes it's hustling and bustling. It all starts with, I guess, ordering the parts. So we'll show that section of it later, where we order the parts come in, we check them, we make sure they're all good. But then this is where most of the magic happens. For example, they come in here. Kevin's polishing grills right now. Yeah, Kevin's the production manager. He's been here. How many years have you been here, Kevin?
About a decade. About a decade.
About a decade.
Or so. But we had these pressed down at the garage at Wes's. And then we soldered the band, and then we sent it out for plating, and now I'm going to check it to see if everything's good, and maybe do additional polishing.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So over here we got 88s being built. These are 88As. A bunch of motors being prepped. Got R92 motors, N8 motors, N22 moters, all in the same magnetic direction with their marked polarity so that no one gets a mic with reverse polarity.
Oh yeah.
We got 88 motors over here. These are the motors used on the 88s and the 88As. And these are all just, someone was just epoxying the magnets on them to get them ready to go.
Amazing.
So that way, if you drop it, the magnets stay in place.
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it.
You'll probably be okay. Here we have some KU5 motors. So this is the inside of a KU5. The ribbon goes right there in between these magnets.
Yeah.
This is one of the much more complex designs.
Wow.
We have a ribboned one right here, so you can see that's a ribboned KU5.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then we have
so delicate.
Very delicate. Until we, put all the acoustical material around it, then it won't be so delicate. It'll be a high SPL mic.
Nice.
We got Anthony over here doing
Hey,
repairs.
Anthony. Thank you for your work.
And, we don't get many repairs. We have many mics out in the world, and just occasionally we kind of just,
But good to know you have this second.
A skilled professional ready to check these. And a lot of the times, sometimes people even send repairs in, and there's nothing wrong with the product, and they go, "Oh yeah, it was a bad cable. Sorry about that."
Oh yeah, I didn't know how a ribbon mic sounded.
Yeah, so that's always fun. But for the most part, pretty simple repairs. I mean, a lot of stretched ribbons, a lot of sometimes people drop stuff and magnet comes loose, but. For the most part, very, very few repairs, which we're very grateful.
Yes, absolutely.
So we got over here. I guess this is a good thing to say. This is just the wall of parts. So we got everything organized. These are so for 88s or for 84s, for example, we got the active version and the passive version. You can tell from the gold versus the silver on the grill. We have. Whole collection of screws. We've got cables, anything you could think of. Yeah, N22 base. Yeah, just everything that you need to make a mic is all in here.
Wow. So this is like the toy store for engineers.
Exactly. This is like after all the hard work of engineering, it all pays off in these beautiful things. So we got this one for our special edition mic, which you may have seen at NAMM.
Yes.
It's I could also show you, while I'm talking about the special edition mic, these are the ribboned motors with the transformer inductor attachment on the bottom. So this is the special custom Cinemag transformer and inductor that are wired to the bottom of the 44CX25LE limited edition.
Wow. Yeah, and Cinemags are one of the best transformers in the market. So and there's only 44 of these. So only 44. Yes.
I mean, I don't even. By the time this comes out, I don't even know how many we'll have left. So I would act quick if I were you. But yeah, so this is the reason why. I mean, you saw our other motors over there. The reason why the 44s have so much more output and sound so different is because of all this extra magnetic flux we have going through the ribbon, this totally different design. It's still the same ribbon, the same 1.8 micron ribbon, corrugated and, at 16.5 hertz and all that stuff. So the difference between most of our mics, with the exception of the KU4, the KU5, and now the N13, is the ribbon, or is the stuff around the ribbon. That is changing the way that sound interacts with the ribbon.
Right.
And the 44 is one of my favorite mics
of
all time.
Of all time, yes.
I use my active 44 on all my vocals, and I love it dearly.
Oh.
I wouldn't live without it. I think it's just amazing. So I have a special spot in my heart for the 44s.
We all do.
We all do.
Yeah.
Or if you don't, you should.
You should. What's this?
This is the corrugator. So it's two interlocking rounded gears that you put a ribbon through. So like a 1.8 micron piece of aluminum leaf that is sandwiched between two pieces of tissue paper.
Yeah.
And you put it through here. So that's how you get that springy ribbon that stays in between the magnets. Otherwise, it would sound flat and wouldn't sound good at all.
Well, so it's actually a manual job.
Yeah. You just slowly put it through, and it takes a little bit of finessing, but our experts here.
Absolutely, it's like the most important part of the microphone.
Yeah, so we worked for a while. We wanted to have a couple more of these, so we redesigned it and got some new ones made.
Looks very vintagey.
Yeah, this is the original one that we were using.
Oh, nice.
So, we just wanted to make sure it's like kind of like sticky. It doesn't like you have to like hold it with 2 hands while you do it. But yeah, this is an original RCA prototype.
Love it.
Yeah. So yeah, we can go next door and visit Paul, Mr. COVID boy, who got COVID at NAMM.
Oh.
Well, he'll wear a mask and he'll keep us safe. What he's over here? You doing cushion mounts?
Yeah, working on some repairs of these actually.
Oh.
Because the rubber is a tiny bit too thick. So I have to change the little formula.
Nice.
A little bit. Nice. So I'm doing some experiments on different layouts.
Always going for continuous improvement here at AEA.
Love it.
But yeah, Paul is up here. He is doing 44s, 88s, KU4s, all the big, hard, expensive mics.
Nice.
Paul's in charge of. So yeah, these are other. These are going to be for the rest of the 44, 25 LEs. These are the 44 motors before we put the magnets and the returns on them. This just starts out just 3 hunks of metal.
Sweet.
All engineered within a 50-mile radius of Pasadena.
Oh, well done.
Yeah. Or machined, that is. And then, you know, got some Ribbon 88 motors that are going to be matched with each other, matched within a half a dB. There's a fish here. One of the many animals who are beloved around AEA.
What's his name?
Paul, what's your fish's name?
Henri.
Henri?
Yeah.
Like
Henri.
Henry? Like Henry in French?
French Henry.
All right.
Henri.
Ron Swanson.
Yeah.
I love Parks and Rec.
I've been developing the Swanson Pyramid of Greatness for years. It's a perfectly calibrated recipe for maximum personal achievement.
Using old parts of the microphones to seal the door.
Yeah. This is the shipping room and QC room, so where all the shipping and processing and everything happens. Eddie's here packing some boxes. Oh, some DIs going out. Oh, you get a shot of this.
Yes.
Some of the first DIs going out into the world.
Oh,
wow.
Oh, that's a beautiful.
It comes with a little bag too. I'm surprised you're not buying one right now.
Oh, yeah. Love it.
Yeah. That's exciting that people are buying them.
Why wouldn't they?
I know, why wouldn't that? That's what I'm thinking to myself every night as I'm waiting for them to fly off the shelf.
I just want to just bounce against this.
Oh yeah, but there's more up there too. Yeah, so this is Andy. He's doing QC.
Where are you guys from?
Argentina.
Oh, nice. We're doing the final frequency curves and checking the frequency response.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Make sure they're up to technical expertise.
Love it.
Yeah, we can watch you do it. It's gonna be a little bit loud, but
yeah,
just a box of N22s in here that are waiting to be shown that they're ready to have a new. Every time someone comes here with a gimbal, they always have trouble with it.
It goes around.
It's just spinning around. So yeah, he's just gonna
test
out. It, make sure that. Take it. Just kidding.
Gonna make sure they're exactly the right distance.
Nice.
And then I gotta hit them with some noise now.
Yeah. So good. Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit loud. Ojos?
Los oídos.
Oídos.
Yeah.
What's ojos?
Eyes.
Oh, that's eyes.
Cover your eyes. Yeah.
Oh, I have to do it again. Yeah, so then if you come over here, he's, you can see, well, he's typing something. He's gonna type in the serial number so that we keep track of all the frequency responses of all the serial numbers in case we want to match them later. So we offered match pairs of everything.
Yeah, I gotta match them now.
Oh, so he's gonna be matching them. But anyways, this is Andy's office. He got, you know, ribboning station here. He also does some ribboning over here. But what's so special about him is that all the mics that go through here and all the repairs, all the preamps, all the DIs are listened to by the ears of AEA Andy himself. And I don't know what we would do without him. He catches things and really keeps the production and engineering and everyone on their toes to make sure that we're giving them quality product and our customers are getting quality product. And he brings our testing procedures to new levels so that we don't let anything bad get to Andy, because he'll really let us know.
My job is pretty easy because these guys are such great people.
Andy. It's the nicest thing he's ever said to me.
Have a big hug.
Yes, please hug.
No, not over. We're gonna get HR is gonna get involved.
Oh no. Love the vibe.
Anyways.
Thanks, Andy.
Brian Wilson poster.
Yeah.
So then we'll go over here. Hi guys. This is where all the ordering happens. We're in the fun middle offices now.
The RCA.
RCA dog, of course. Oh yeah, the family tree. Probably needs updated. These all the parts are kept here for kitting. You know, I got a bunch of capacitors in here.
So what do you do in this part?
Okay, so all the preamps before they're made, all the parts need to be put into a kit.
Yeah.
And then brought to the board house where they're gonna populate the boards. So you know, we've got all these PCBs. You know, like here's like a RPQ3 PCB. And we just so you have to get all these individual parts, put it in a bin, bring it to the board lady, and then they populate it all. And you know, they'll do the big oven. They'll use the pick and place machines and put them all on. It's way faster than we could ever do it. And then you know, put the through-hole components on, put it through a wave solder, and bring it back to us. So
amazing.
All the parts are kept here. And,
how many preamps can you build from this? Do you have any idea?
Well, there's so many. We have 4 different preamps, and we have buffers as well, and now we have DIs as well. So these are just all of the different parts, but like there's a lot of cross, like the, you know, resistor 41 might be used in like 4 of them or in all of them or whatever.
Yeah.
So this is just a way to keep them all in one place, and then when we need them, we pull them. So that way we're buying the minimum amount of parts that we need, but we still have like extra in case we need it. It's like, you know, trying to find the balance between, you know, just having a whole bunch of stuff laying around all the time that you can't make money on, versus like making sure you don't have to buy an entire kit worth of things as well, because you want to buy in quantity to save money. And, you know, it's just like that normal balance that every business is doing with everything.
Love it.
This is gonna, our front room is still a disaster from NAMM because so many of us got sick and missed some days. We got RCA dog missing his head. Nipper. This is a cool thing, the mic museum up here.
Oh, wow.
These are our beautiful session desks columns that you might have seen at NAMM.
Oh, yeah.
And beautifully custom made. And they're still here. We need to figure out what to do with them after the rain goes away.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Really fun stuff. All this great RCA stuff over here. Lots of history. There's even more hidden behind these that you can't see right now. And
I'm sure you don't know, but in Argentina, at one point during the 50s and 60s, it was one of the only places in whole Latin America and Central America that had proper studios. So there's like a ton of RCA microphones of the old ones in Argentina, like really old ones, and like all of the national and TV channels and stuff, they all got like museums full of RCAs.
Oh shit! Maybe I should go down sometime with some cash.
Absolutely.
I could use a pair of 77s.
Yeah, but they'll probably sell them to you very expensive.
Dang it.
Yeah, people have internet now. But you should definitely come to Argentina.
But if they have a lot, you know, if the market's saturated.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. It's always...
Well, it's not saturated. I mean, you don't see them for sale. They just...
Oh, everyone keeps them. Everyone likes them, yeah.
They fight over them.
They fight over, yeah. This one, this big guy right here, is very cool. It's, I believe it's the first cardioid ribbon mic. It's an RCA 77A. So you know the 77DX?
Yeah.
That everyone knows with the adjustable polar pattern and everything. This is the first one, the A.
Wow.
It has a 2 ribbons in it. So one of them is an omni and one of them's in bidirectional, and then they're just electrically mixed together.
And they cancel each other.
Yeah, the back cancel each other out and the front adds together. And that's how you get your cardioid mic back in the old days.
What was the name of your founder?
West Dooley.
West. I met him in Argentina.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he came down there.
Yeah, and he was talking about how he got all of the good tips out of the original RCA guys. So did he get all of that from those guys?
No. So there, one of his old friends, Cortland Barr, had this collection, and he passed away, and his wife wanted it to be in a place where people could gawk over it like they do here. So,
yeah.
Yeah, that's how it all ended up here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So we can go upstairs and see.
Oh,
mine.
love this one as well. Look at this one.
Yeah, old 44 with some new springs on it. That's, to keep it nice and safe.
That's the original shock mount.
Yeah, original shock mount. New springs though. Going here, we got a Mitski picture. Fun stuff. And we can go upstairs. Okay, you gotta wash your head. I have to tell everyone to do that when they come upstairs. Hello. Oh, and there's a dog up here too.
Oh yes. I wanted to see a dog's about. Hi, how are you?
Okay, how are you doing?
Very well.
This is Caitlin.
Hi.
We met at NAM.
Yeah.
That's right.
The one with the purple hair. That's how I've been referring to everybody.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the fun, crazy, chaotic upstairs R&D.
Hello.
It's Dante.
Aww.
Everybody loves them.
Yeah, we're all missing our dogs.
Up here we test all the electronics that go out. We have the AP up here. We'll, run tests, make sure everything is, up to spec.
Nice.
And I'll do our soldering and everything. We got some great equipment. Some of the greatest soldering irons that ever existed.
That's amazing.
Hot tweezers, hot air guns. Some of my favorite toys to play with is this trio right here.
Really?
I always tell people that's the greatest trio for reworking there ever was.
Yeah.
Would you agree, Caitlin?
I would.
She
I
would
would
agree. She would agree. And we got a secondary soldering station over here. These are all building stations, so we have everything you need to build a TRP in all these little bins. We have burn-in stations. This is a little 48-volt burn-in jig. We got stuff that burns in up here. All the preamps burn in for 24 hours before they leave upstairs.
Nice.
Got a laser cutter up here. Got nice listening station. Got my great focals. We have so yeah, I play I have Tidal going through up this wire, and I
so this is your office.
Yeah, this is where I was just gonna finally, right before you came, I was about to start going through business cards from NAM.
Oh.
I just didn't get to it yet.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
I have them all in a bag.
Just waiting. But yeah, so this is where, SolidWorks and circuit board layout, some of it, all the easy stuff I do here. Listening here for, if we're trying to compare stuff.
Yeah.
We got the, our for cell DAC and monitor controller that sound amazing. It's not the greatest room for listening, but, it's, we'll take what we can get.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice monitors.
Yeah, I love the focals. This is my custom shock mount on my KU5 I use for Zoom meetings.
Oh, very, very fancy Zoom setup.
We got the laser cutter over here. We got 3D printers over here that, when we're doing different mic designs, it's really helpful to have something you could do quick to make sure you're on the right track and everything is going the way you want it to go.
Oh, amazing.
Man, before NAMM, you should have seen it. We cleaned up real good and gave a tour, and everyone was like, wow, you guys keep it real clean up here. And in the span of less than a week, we've gone all the way back.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's normal. And what do people expect?
Yeah. But yeah, and then, you know, just... we have, you know, my piles of failed projects that didn't go anywhere.
Of yours?
Yeah, just, you know, like stuff for AEA, just designs, prototypes, like, oh, should we try this? Back when.
Right. So you're an engineer as well?
Yeah. So I do R&D engineer here. That's my main role, is to bring the products to life. And, you know, so I work with the circuit designers for like our preamps, like I work with Fred Purcell on our preamps. Sometimes we go work with our circuit board layout people. You know, I talk to the machinists, just like make sure it all works. You know, I'll do a lot of the mechanical, or all of the mechanical design. And then work with our R&D team on the design of new ribbons, and like we'll do all the listening together and the tuning and putting different stuff in front of it and doing different designs, just you know, making these products come to life and fixing problems if they do arise.
Yeah.
And figuring out how to do that. So it's a little bit of, you know, mechanical, electrical, acoustical, production. You get to do all these different things so I don't get burnt out of anything. And
love it.
yeah, it's fun. It's really cool.
Great, amazing.
Yeah.
So do you want to do an exit kind of MTV Cribs?
Yeah. We didn't do the fridge shot though.
No.
Chris Dad.
Okay, yeah.
Not the chair.
Not the chair. Oh, we could do this. Maybe we got, you know, more of our electronics and fun stuff stacked up here. DI's ready to be built. Got our Lely transformers. I love this DI. So clean, yes. So beautiful. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for coming by.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Joey.
Yeah.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
I'm such a huge fan of the brand, and getting to know how they are built, every microphone or preamp, and done with so much love. And I absolutely loved everybody who works here.
Yeah.
There's such a good vibe, and I think that's one of the most important things.
We're a little family, you know.
Yeah. We take care of each other.
We take care, yeah. Exactly.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Yay, Javi. ¿Te gustó el tour?
Pues te voy a pedir una traducción de cosas.
Espero que hayan disfrutado de esto. La verdad que fue muchísimo trabajo. Tuvimos a Meraki trabajando en la edición y los subtítulos, que fue un montón de trabajo. Así que démosles las gracias a Meraki también abajo. Te dejo acá recomendado un estudio tour que hicimos de mis auriculares favoritos, los Audicy.